How to get a refund from iPhone App Store purchase. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to reportaproblem.apple.com. And then, sign into your Apple account. On this page, go to the report box and tap on it. From the options, select Request a Refund. Add more specific details for your request below as to why you want the refund. Note that by proceeding, you may lose access to refunded items. Then, tap on Next as shown. You can now view and select the items from your purchase history. After that, tap on Submit. Following these steps, you can easily get a refund from iPhone App Store purchase. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.